Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Cadillac Escalade ESV Premier Group 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7109X. 45,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade. We sold this Escalade brand new, dark granite metallic in color. You receive the balance of the factory 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper, and 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Escalade seats 8, leather interior, dual DVD players overhead with wireless remote and headphones, rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Outboard middle row seats are also heated. Press the button just on the inside of the door, seat will fold flat. Press again, will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Lots of advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience, lots of storage space in the rear, 60/40 split third row seat, folds flat easily with the push of a button, can also bring it right back up. Be a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Escalade has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, 16 speaker Bose sound system, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof, push button start, large, easy to read, customizable gauges, and there's of course where you set the forward collision alert. Heads up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Navigation, you can sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, as well as rear heat and air. Rear DVD player controls. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Heated as well as ventilated front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Wireless charging pad for cell phones. No more cords hanging in the way. Lots of storage space. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Escalade has a 4.2 liter V8, 420 horsepower, and of course just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 20 on the highway, and new tires on the 22-inch rims. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.